Hi, kids. The other day, we went to visit a friend of Walter named Yikes. It was a little scary because Yikes is a dog, a very big dog, in fact. They told me he's a Labrador. His color is chocolate. He was pretty funny, in fact. He kept wiggling his tail, so I wanted to grab it. I was able to get a picture of him so we can copy. Let's draw him. What I like to do is start with the face, because that's a very distinct feature. And we know his nose is just circular at the front. I like to boop his nose. And then we'll give him his signature smile. Alright, and then we kind of work up around his eyes. And then draw him his first eye here. Then we'll draw the second eye. And then I fill those eyes in and make him look mischievous. Nice. I love drawing dogs. They're so much fun. I'll give him some eyebrows, because that gives him a little character and distinction. And now we'll do the ears. And he has floppy ears. So these are really fun to do. You kind of just make them go up, and then you flop over like that. Okay, now we're gonna start working on the neck down into the body. He's a big dog, so he gets a big collar. So we're gonna go down and do his work on his belly, because he loves getting belly rubs. And then I like to work all the way down and around and draw the first leg down to the ground, back up, and then match the second leg, just like that. Okay, now we'll do the hind legs. Very similar. And now we'll do the second one, just like that. Okay, now he has a big bushy tail. In order to make it bushy, you gotta do the jaggedy edges like that. We'll give him his signature bone birthmark. And now we'll just do details in the paws. That looks really good. Now, let's fill him in here. He's a brown Labrador. So we're gonna fill it all the way in, all the way. And now we'll fill in his ears and his birthmark. His favorite color is blue, so we'll give him a blue collar. I'm super happy with it. There. Yes, that's it. That's Yikes the Labrador. I'm gonna hang this one on my refrigerator. See you later for more drawings.